Alright, OPPO Reno 16 standard version. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, first off, this is a transparent, slightly rigid case, especially around the bottom. See, it's a pretty hard phone case. An 80W USB-A charging brick. Wow, the phone is so small, so it really is a compact, standard version. It's the white I love. Wow, this color is called heart-fluttering blue. It really does make my heart flutter. Seriously, I love white. The back cover is glossy glass. But look, everyone, if I tilt the phone a little bit, can you see that naked eye 3D floating planet effect? Oh, you can see it, right? Wow, it's such a magical feeling. And if I look closely, the bottom has this fine, bling-bling, glittery texture. Wow, there really aren't many phones these days that can give the back cover such a vibe. In the top left corner is a square camera module with an integrated sculpted design, housing 3 lenses in total. The top one is a 200 megapixel main camera, 101 56 inches with an f1.8 aperture. The one below, the standard version, is a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and on the right is a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. The frame is made of aluminum alloy with a flat edge design, but a new shortcut button has been added to the left side, which can be used for quick captures or customized with various other functions. It weighs 193.7 grams, including the screen protector, and is 8.2 millimeters thick. It's very light. Since it's compact, it fits easily anywhere, and is effortless to use with one hand. On the front is a 6.32-inch display. The bezels look like this. They're almost perfectly symmetrical on all 4 sides. And it packs a 6,700 mAh battery. Oh, and it features IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K ratings for full dust and water resistance. Wow. And this is just the standard Reno model. But this time, there's something else called OPPO. No, wait, that's not the name. Anyway, it's called a trendy selfie screen. Oh, it's circular with a white front bezel, and the middle frame and back are integrated in silver. It's like a biscuit-shaped selfie screen. You could also call it the little O screen. There's a power button on the right and a USB-C port at the bottom. It comes with a clear silicone case and a star-shaped keychain, so you can attach it to your keys. That's really nice. Plus, it can snap magnetically attached to the back of your phone case like this, so it stays with your phone. Okay, once it's paired, a card will pop up on your screen. This is the interface after a successful pairing. Swiping up opens the camera and the interface launches simultaneously. First, this is photo mode. Okay, you can toggle between 3 focal lengths, 1x, 3.5x, and 0.6x. Swiping right on the camera interface takes you to video mode, which also offers 3 focal lengths to switch between. Actually, this little O screen is perfect for attaching to the back of your phone. Then you just turn it on and like this, you can use the rear camera for selfies. That's really nice. There are 3 ways to access it. Swipe down from the top, swipe from right to left, or swipe from left to right. All of these will take you back to the home screen. So the swiping down from the top of the home screen opens the control center. You can long press on the home screen to change wallpapers. And there is also the small O screen app on your phone. First, for custom wallpapers, you can choose from 3 formats: photos, live photos, or videos up to 5 seconds long. This is what the live photo looks like after I've selected it. Yeah, isn't it nice? You can add up to 20 items to each group. Once added, the photos, live photos, and videos you've selected will rotate on this always-on display. Plus, you can save up to 30 groups of items in the phone app. 30组的素材。It also features some fun, adorable pets. There are 5 of them right now. The first one is Kiki, the second is Haha, the third is, I think it's called Miwo, then the fourth is Popo, and the 5th is Ruo. I think that's how you pronounce it. So, what do you all think? Now, finally, so there's the theme store. But what's interesting is that in the theme store's recommendations, there are currently 3 themes that you obtain through a gacha-style draw. Oh, that's fun. At the same time, you can set the screen off duration to 1, 2, or 4 hours and adjust the screen brightness across 3 levels. Then just tap the power button and it locks the screen. When locked, it's protected against accidental touches, and you can simply swipe to unlock and access the home screen. So, do you think the small O screen is fun?